To have invisible pattern when you draw it, to unlock the phone in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Tap secure lock setting. Draw your unlock pattern. And then tap the blue on off switch next to make pattern visible to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. You can choose the setting if you like no eye catches your pattern when you draw it, because by using the setting your phone will make the pattern you draw to be invisible. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.